Hi there guys, welcome back. This is Kishore here, founder and CEO of Trade Achievers. So in this video, we're going to talk about our review and preview of the markets. So let's get into our analysis.
So, all right, guys, as we can see, there is not much of a change today in the market today. And last time I said about the channel breakout, and even now the channel has broken. But I said that we'll consider it for a long-term buy in Nifty once the market closes above 15,000. So it's not yet closed, but still we have the momentum in the market was huge today. And so I think it is better to wait for some more time until the market closes above 15,000. Then I think it will be a good for long-term buyers. All right. And for Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty, good banking stocks is now recommended to go for a buy. So as I said, the 1 hour has broken above the resistance and it is going all the way up. So I believe the market in Bank Nifty, we can expect a bullish movement in the coming days. And going to gold, so in the gold market, so like we said in the last video, the market just broke the resistance and it's heading towards the trend line level, which is around 1850. So 1850 to 1858. So that will be the gold's resistance level. So we may expect the gold to go up to 1850 to 1860 maximum. So once it reaches over there, we'll look for an opportunity to sell. Once the market hits there and gives a trend reversal, then we'll look for an opportunity. All right. So that is for the review and preview today. So not much of a change today. So we'll hope for the best for tomorrow.
So alright guys, so that is for our review and preview today, and I hope you are getting benefited from these videos. So I hope this is useful, and thank you very much for tuning in. Take care.